नमस्कार मित्रों, एक बार फिर हर वर्ष की भांति इस बार भी नोबेल पुरस्कार घोषणा का प्रारंभ हो चुका है। जी हां, सभी 6 क्षेत्रों में इन ऑल 6 फील्ड द नोबेल प्राइजेस आर डिक्लेयर्ड इन द फर्स्ट fortnight of October every year. Yesterday, the Nobel Prize for Physiology or Medicine was declared. Today, I think just 60 or 70 minutes before, the Nobel Prize in Physics for 2024 has been declared, or I can say has been announced. And that prize has been achieved by John J. Hoffield and Geoffrey E. Hinton. Once again, I will repeat the name: John J. Hoffield and Geoffrey E. Hinton, also known as Godfather of AI or Artificial Intelligence. They received their Nobel Prize for their outstanding discovery and invention for machine learning with the help of Artificial Neural Network (ANN). Friends, Hoffield was born in 1933 in Chicago. मैं ये कह सकता हूं, यदि उनका जन्म 1933 में हुआ है तो उन्होंने इस बार फिर 91 वर्ष की आयु में एट द एज ऑफ 91 ईयर्स नोबेल पुरस्कार प्राप्त करके एक प्रेरणा का बहुत बड़ा स्रोत दिया है। फ्रेंड्स, जॉन जे हॉफील्ड was born in Chicago, but he did serve as a faculty in University of California, Berkeley, and later on in CIT, California Institute of Technology. Second winner with John J. Hoffield is Geoffrey E. Hinton. Geoffrey E. Hinton was born in 1947 in London. He also known as Godfather of AI. Both have received Nobel Prize jointly. But I would like to mention John J. Hoffield. I mentioned earlier, he did serve in CIT and before that California, University of California, Berkeley campus. But Geoffrey E. Hinton in 2017 established, or I can say co-founded an institute which is known as Vector Institute in Toronto. I think both deserve for their greatest achievement in the era of artificial intelligence. Geoffrey E. Hinton, as I did say, he is known as Godfather of AI. Thank you very much.